Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new Powerbeats Pro 2, the latest true wireless earbuds from Beats. These aren't just any earbuds, they're packed with cutting-edge tech, designed for athletes and built to deliver an unbeatable experience. Let's break it all down step by step. First up, the design. The Powerbeats Pro 2 features reinforced earhooks made from a super-light nickel titanium alloy. This material is known for its flexibility and shape memory, ensuring the earbuds stay locked in, no matter how intense your workout gets. And speaking of fit, Beats conducted over 1,500 hours of testing with nearly 1,000 athletes to perfect the design. The result? These are the best-fitting headphones Beats has ever made. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The Powerbeats Pro 2 comes with built-in heart rate monitoring sensors. Yes, you heard that right, heart rate monitoring in your earbuds. The optical sensors use a green LED light that pulses over 100 times per second to measure your heart rate in real time. And don't worry about comfort, the sensors are flush with the earbud surface, so you won't even feel them. This feature works seamlessly with both iOS and Android, and you can even pair it with select fitness equipment via Bluetooth. Let's talk sound. The Powerbeats Pro 2 delivers incredible audio quality with a balanced sound profile and dynamic range across all frequencies. It also features active noise cancelling ANC for absolute focus and a transparency mode when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Plus, the adaptive EQ continuously adjusts the sound based on the fit of your earbuds, ensuring a personalized listening experience. Battery life is a big win here. You get up to 10 hours of playback per charge and a whopping 45 hours with the charging case. The case is 33% smaller than the previous version and supports wireless charging. A quick 5-minute charge gives you 1.5 hours of playback, perfect for those last-minute workout sessions. These earbuds are built to last. With an IPX4 rating, they're sweat and water resistant, so you can push your limits in any weather. They're powered by the Apple H2 chip, making them fully compatible with Apple devices, but they also work great with Android via the Beats app. You get features like one-touch pairing, customizable controls, and even heart rate monitoring on Android. Call quality is top-notch thanks to updated microphones and a voice accelerometer. Background noise is suppressed, and your voice comes through crystal clear. And controlling your music is a breeze with on-ear buttons and tactile volume rockers. You can even use voice commands to stay hands-free. Inside the box, you get the Powerbeats Pro 2 earbuds, 5 sizes of silicone ear tips, a wireless charging case, and a quick start guide. So, there you have it, the Powerbeats Pro 2. With its unbeatable fit, heart rate monitoring, incredible sound, and long battery life, these earbuds are a game-changer for athletes and music lovers alike. If you're looking for a premium pair of true wireless earbuds that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Powerbeats Pro 2 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you in the next video.